When we go camping, we break up the gear we need to pack into these categories: shelter and sleeping, food, cooking, and kitchen supplies, campfire, games and entertainment, clothing and toiletries, tools and emergency supplies, and miscellaneous items. For shelter and sleeping, we pack something soft to sleep on. For us, this means a self-inflating mattress and a memory foam topper. Something to keep us warm. This used to be sleeping bags, but now we much prefer a fitted and flat sheet and a warm duvet. Pillows. We bring 4 pillows because we like to be comfortable. Because we sleep in our vehicle, we also bring our window screens that provide us with ventilation, along with plain window covers to cover the other windows. LED light strips so we can see inside when we're going to bed. For food, cooking, and kitchen supplies at the campsite, we pack a tailgate tent that we modified ourselves to include mosquito netting and privacy sides. And to put up the tent, we bring tent pegs, extra rope, and a mallet. Water jugs with potable water. For us, we use just under 2 gallons a day for cooking, cleaning, washing, and drinking. Dry food, including spices, coffee, and tea. A cooler with ice and food that needs to be chilled. A camp stove with fuel, along with a wind guard. A lighter. We usually have a few fire-starting options in case one doesn't work. A small table for cooking in case we're boondocking or just somewhere with no picnic table. Or sometimes we just find cooking at our small table easier even if we do have a picnic table. Pots and pans. Spatulas and cooking spoons. An oven glove and a trivet. A sharp knife and a cutting board. Plates, bowls, and cutlery for eating. Water bottles and insulated mugs. A dish sponge and dish soap for washing the dishes later. Garbage bags. Bigger dishcloths for drying plates and our hands. A tablecloth. For campfire games and entertainment, we bring a lighter and other ways of starting a fire. Firewood, which we often buy at or near where we're camping. Chairs for sitting around the campfire. A deck of cards. A cribbage board. Trivia games. Ebooks. A tablet for watching TV or movies before we go to bed. We do this less in the summer months, but it's great to have in the winter when we're camping and the nights are really long. Some pencil puzzles and crossword books. A flotation mattress for going around the lake, and inflator or a way to pump it up. A game like bocce ball. Speakers and a way to play music. A beach blanket. For clothing and toiletries, we bring all sorts of clothing, including warm clothes, waterproof clothes, hiking clothes, and bathing suits, depending on the time of year we're going. For shoes, we typically bring a pair of flip-flops, a pair of lake shoes, and a pair of trail runners. If we're going in the winter, we also bring boots. PJs and cozy clothes for sitting around the fire. A bath towel, face cloth, face soap, body soap, and a razor for washing. Typical toiletries like toothbrush, toothpaste, dental floss, brush, hair ties, deodorant, medication, toilet paper, and chapstick. Sun protection, including a hat, sunscreen, and sunglasses. Bug protection like bug spray and longer clothing. For tools and emergency supplies on our camping trips, we pack a first aid kit, extra food and water, flashlight and headlamps with spare batteries, phone and electronic chargers and battery packs with appropriate USB and charging cables for each. A tire inflator with some emergency car repair tools. A saw, a mallet, a hatchet. The miscellaneous items we pack for camping are our wallet and ID, cash to buy firewood and to pay for campsites, cell phones and chargers, and an extra set of car keys. And that's our camping list. Did we miss anything? Please let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more unconventional travel ideas.